So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today I have a different episode for y'all. You remember my friend Matt, the one who bought over the Volkswagen? Well, it's still not done yet, so it's not even gonna be that episode, so don't get too excited. But he called me, asked me for help to move his toolbox from one shop. He actually got a shop and he's trying to open up a auto body business of his own. So we're gonna go support him. We're gonna go help move his toolbox and try to help him get set up. I don't think he has the keys yet, but most likely he'll just take us around to let us see the facility, so that'd be cool. But other than that, we're gonna head over there right now. And man, it is hot as hell outside. 93 degrees. Check this out. 93. It's an hour drive, so let's get going. So we finally made it here with Matt here. Right now he's closing the gate, so we're gonna go help him move his toolbox and stuff. Let's get it done. So we made it to the shop. Now we are gonna help Matt pick his toolbox up and put it on his truck. Let's take a little quick tour of the shop. I think there's a rear end sitting on the table right there. Oh, right there. Look at that. Boom. Matt's toolbox. Frame machine. Spray booth. Rear end. And chew tool. What up, Matt? Chew? You don't want to bring it in? Hmm? You don't want to bring it more in?
No, because this way when I roll the ramp
oh, okay.
Down, and it hits bad.
Alright. We're almost there. Oh, we gotta both be there.
Yeah, we got to lift it again.
Ready?
It's on the edge.
Alright. Alright, ready? One. Hold on. One.
We got to let it roll just like a little back.
Alright. Ready? More forward? Yeah, we could do that. Let's take a look at Chew Boy. Guys, we just finished helping Matt load his box up. There it is, right there on the trailer. And unfortunately, we're having a monsoon as we speak. We got dry just in time, so we got saved, but his box is apparently dying in the rain. So we don't know what's about to happen there. I'm gonna try to see if we can cover it up or something. But let's head back home and we'll talk a little bit later. Peace. So we are driving back home now. I'm actually gonna get something to eat, a little bit hungry. And a question popped into my head from one of the viewers on the channel. They were asking, how can we increase horsepower on our vehicles without getting too expensive? So we can talk about that right now. Now, one thing that you can do for increasing some horsepower on your vehicle without going through the added expense is a cold air intake. Cold air intakes are great due to the fact that more air is coming in, colder air is coming in. It's a lot more dense. So the more dense the air is, the computer is going to compensate by adding more fuel. Therefore, more air, more fuel equals more horsepower. So that is one thing that you can do to increase horsepower. Right now we are in the drive-through ordering some food from my favorite place, which is Checkers, because you get 2 for $3. Now, it's not that healthy, but I've been working really hard in the gym lately, so I wanted some snacks. But the next thing that you can do to get more horsepower, let's see, I would say use performance chips. Performance chips can change your timing, change your fuel map ratios, all that stuff, to add an increase in horsepower. So that is definitely something else that you can do. Alrighty guys, so we're back in the office now. Just finished, had my meal. I am so stuffed, so let's finish this video. Another thing that you can do to increase horsepower is upgrading the exhaust. I have some notes written down here, that's why I'm looking down. You gotta upgrade your exhaust. More air in the engine means more air needs to come out to achieve maximum horsepower. You can upgrade to a catback exhaust or a high flow catalytic converter. One more other thing, synthetic oil. A lot of people actually don't realize synthetic oil can increase horsepower, probably not by much, but by a little bit. The added horsepower can cause wear and tear on your motor. Upgrading the oil, this will improve the engine protection and resistance to heat. Reducing friction will increase horsepower, but I just want you guys to know everything that was mentioned here throughout the video, such as the intake, the exhaust, the performance chips, and the oil. Well, except the oil, but all those 3 things, you will void your warranty if your car is new. Now, if you do have a car that does not have warranty on it, well then, modify away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick episode. I hope you guys enjoyed the different scenery of me helping my friend Matt move his toolbox and other stuff like that. So with that being said, we'll see you all later. Peace.